Hello and good morning, students. So here is chapter number 2, organ system of our body, part number 3. Okay, so in last class we have studied about circulatory system, respiratory system. Yes, now today we'll study about excretory system. The function of excretory system is to remove the waste materials from our body. So what is the function of excretory system? To remove the waste materials from our body. Excretory system का क्या system होता है? ये हमारी body में से waste materials को remove करता है. Our body may produce waste in the body by the kidneys. Each one of us has 2 kidneys. They are being shaped and placed in the abdomen towards our back. Our body may produce waste in the body by the kidneys. Okay, so each one of us how many kidneys? 2 kidneys. They are being shaped and placed in the abdomen towards our back. ये हमारे back में abdomen में placed रहती हैं and हमारे पास कितनी kidneys होती हैं? 2 kidney. Okay. So what is the function of kidney? The function of kidney is to filter the liquid waste from the blood. What is the function of kidney? Kidney filters the liquid waste from the blood. Kidney क्या करती है? Liquid waste जो है filter करती है हमारे blood में से. This liquid waste is called urine. So what is the name of liquid waste? Is urine, which is pale yellow in color. So what is the name of the liquid waste? Urine, which is in which color? In pale yellow color. जो लिक्विड वेस्ट होता है वो हमारी यूरिन होती है एंड उसका कलर क्या होता है? पेल येलो. द यूरिन इज कलेक्टेड बाय द यूट्रस एंड पास टू द यूरिनरी ब्लैडर. सो हु कलेक्ट्स द यूरिन? यूट्रस एंड पास टू द यूरिनरी ब्लैडर. यूट्रस कलेक्ट द यूरिन एंड देन it pass to the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder holds the urine till you are ready to visit the toilet. Urine leaves your body through the urethra. So urinary bladder holds the urine until you are ready to visit the toilet and urine leaves your body through the urethra. Urine कहाँ से निकलती है हमारे body में से? Through the urethra. Yes. You can see the diagram. These are the kidneys. This is urethra. This is bladder. This is urethra opening, this is urethra and this is bladder neck. This is the diagram of excretory system. Yes. So the next is nervous system. Nervous system is made up of brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. So the nervous system is made up of 3 things. First one is brain, second is spinal cord, third is nerves. Nervous system 3 चीज़ों से बना होता है, brain, spinal cord and nerves. Our brain is called the master organ. So who is brain? Brain is the master organ. Brain को हम master organ बोलते हैं. It controls each and every function and activity of our body. So what does brain do? Brain controls each and every function and activity of our body. Brain जो है हमारी सारे फंक्शंस और सारी एक्टिविटीज़ जो बॉडी की होती हैं उसे कंट्रोल करता है. इट इज़ वेल प्रोटेक्टेड इनसाइड द क्रेनियम और कैविटी फॉर्म बाय द स्कल ऑफ आवर हेड. सो इट इज़ प्रोटेक्टेड बाय द कैविटी ऑफ आवर हेड और वी कैन से स्कल ऑफ आवर हेड. स्कल ऑफ आवर हेड से ये प्रोटेक्टेड रहता है. द ब्रेन एक्ट्स एज थिंकर फॉर द एंटायर बॉडी. सो द ब्रेन इज़ अ थिंकर फॉर द एंटायर बॉडी. ब्रेन क्या है? सारी चीज़ों को थिंक करता है फॉर द एंटायर बॉडी. इट सेंड्स सिग्नल्स टू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी थ्रू नेटवर्क ऑफ नर्व्स. व्हाट डज ब्रेन डू? ब्रेन सेंड सिग्नल्स टू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी थ्रू नेटवर्क ऑफ नर्व्स. नेटवर्क ऑफ नर्व्स के द्वारा वो सारी बॉडी को सिग्नल सेंड करता है. द ब्रेन हैज़ 3 मेन पार्ट्स. सो द ब्रेन हैज़ 3 मेन पार्ट्स: cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. So what are the 3 main parts of brain? Cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. Understood? First one is cerebrum. The cerebrum helps us to think and reason out, learn, remember and take decisions. So what is the function of cerebellum? Cerebellum help us to think what to do, what not, and reason out why we have to do things, learn the things, remember the things, and take decisions. Cerebellum क्या करता है? हमें सोचने की क्षमता देता है, हमें कोई भी चीज़ का रीज़न निकालना है उसकी क्षमता देता है, हम कोई भी चीज़ लर्न कर सकते हैं सेरेब्रम के थ्रू, हम कोई भी चीज़ अपने ब्रेन के अंदर याद कर सकते हैं सेरेब्रम के थ्रू, एंड ऑल्सो वी कैन टेक डिसीजन थ्रू सेरेब्रम. See the diagram of nervous system. This is cerebellum. This is choroid plexus. This is pineal gland. This is cerebellum, spinal cord, pons and medulla, pituitary gland and brain stem, hypothalamus, optic nerve, and ventricles. Yes. This is the diagram of nervous system. Okay, so now we'll study further. Now the next one is cerebellum. The cerebellum controls the movement of our voluntary muscles. It helps to keep the balance. It works when we run, walk, sit or move body in any direction. So what does cerebellum do? Cerebellum controls the movement of our body, movement of our voluntary muscles, and also it helps to keep the balance between we run, walk, sit, move body in any direction. cerebellum क्या करता है? हमारे voluntary muscles को control करता है और balance रखने में हमारी help करता है. और cerebellum कब वर्क करता है? जब हम रन कर रहे होते हैं, जब हम बैठते हैं, जब हम वॉक कर रहे होते हैं, जब हम बॉडी को मूव करते हैं इन एनी डायरेक्शन. सो कौन वर्क करता है? हमारी कौन हेल्प करता है? cerebellum. Okay, so next one is medulla oblongata. It connects the brain with the spinal cord. So basically it is a connection between brain with the spinal cord. It controls automatic actions like breathing and heartbeat. So what does medulla oblongata do? It controls automatic actions like breathing, heartbeat. ओके, तो मेडुला ऑब्लोंगाटा क्या करता है? हमारे ऑटोमेटिक एक्शंस को कंट्रोल करता है, विच आर ब्रीदिंग एंड हार्ट बीट. यस. So now the next is spinal cord. It is the continuation of medulla. So what is spinal cord? It is a continuation of medulla. It is protected by the cavity formed by backbones known as vertebral column. It is protected by whom? Cavity formed by backbones known as vertebral column. ये vertebral column के through protected रहता है. And what is it? It is a continuation of medulla. Messages travel from our brain down the spinal cord to all parts. So messages travel from our brain down the spinal cord to all the parts. So what is the process? Message travel from brain. Brain से travel होके फिर वो spinal cord के पास जाता है. And spinal cord कहाँ जाती है? किसको ट्रांसफ़र करती है? To all parts of the body. Okay. Incoming messages enter the spinal cord from all parts of our body and then travel up to our brain. So what is the process of incoming messages? Incoming message पहले जाते हैं spinal cord के पास and then spinal cord से from all the parts of our body. Okay, and then travel up to our brain. So this is the process. Incoming message enter the spinal cord first of all and then two parts of our body and then travel up to our brain. Yes. Okay. So now the next system is skeletal system. Okay, so can you imagine a human body without bones? Obviously not. We cannot imagine a human body without bones. Our body has soft parts. It is necessary to have a hard framework supporting these parts. Otherwise the body will collapse. This framework is provided by the bones and is called as skeleton. Obviously अगर हमारी बॉडी में बोन्स नहीं होंगे तो हमारी बॉडी बहुत सॉफ्ट होगी एंड बॉडी जो है कोलैप्स हो जाएगी. ओके, सो द फ्रेमवर्क इज प्रोवाइडेड बाय द बोन्स एंड इज कॉल्ड द skeleton. Okay, so skeletal system is very much important for our body. Our human body we cannot imagine without bones. Bones are very necessary for our body. Okay, so there are four parts of skeletal system: skull, rib cage, backbone, limbs. The function of skeletal system are, the first one is shape and support. It gives the body its framework and gives us our individual shape. So it is necessary for our body to give its individual shape. अगर हमारी body में shape ही नहीं होगा, then how will our body look? We'll all look very bad. So a framework and shape is very much important for our body. And who gives us this shape and framework? Skeletal system. Yes. Now the next is protection. It protects our internal delicate organs like heart, brain. Obviously, it protects our internal delicate organs like heart and brain. Heart और brain को ये protect करता है. Movement. Bones are attached to the muscles and makes it possible. Bones are attached to the muscles and makes it possible to move our parts. Bones जो हैं हमारी muscle से attached होते हैं and it makes it possible to move out parts. See, this is a skeletal system. And it is very much for our body to give shape and to give a correct framework, and also it protects our internal delicate organs like heart, brain, lungs. Otherwise हमारे heart, brain quickly इफ़ेक्ट हो सकते हैं अगर एक फ्रेमवर्क नहीं रहेगा हमारी बॉडी में तो. येस, सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू गिव प्रोटेक्शन टू आवर इंटरनल डेलिकेट ऑर्गन्स, एंड ऑल्सो बोन्स आर अटैच्ड टू द मसल्स एंड मेक्स इट पॉसिबल टू मूव आवर पार्ट्स. Okay students, so I hope you all understood the chapter. In case you have any doubt, you can message me. Okay, so we have completed the chapter number 2, organ system of our body. Okay students, bye all of you, have a nice day.